Now the question is 15625 divisible by 15? Now एक मेथड तो ये है कि हम इसको डिवाइड करें, बट वी हैव लर्न डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स, सो द पॉइंट इज़ इन यूटिलाइजिंग दोज डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. नाउ 15625 को हमने देखना है कि वो 15 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं. तो दिस मीन्स कि हम 15 के कोई फैक्टर्स देखें और उनसे देख लें कि अगर ये डिवाइड होता है तो 15 से भी होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द रूल विच वी हैव स्टडीड, that if a number is divisible by two numbers, then if those numbers are co-prime, then this number will be divisible by the product of the co-prime numbers. तो 15 को हम कैसे split कर सकते हैं 3 and 5 में. 3 5s are 15 and are 3 and 5 co-prime numbers, so we can say 1 into 3 are the factors of 3 and 1 into 5 are the factors of 5. So their common factor is 1. So 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. अब 3 और अगर ये नंबर 3 से भी डिवाइड हो जाता है, 5 से भी हो जाता है, तो ये इन दोनों के प्रोडक्ट से भी होगा, मतलब 15 से भी होगा. अब हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि ये नंबर 3 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं. उसके लिए वी विल डू सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स 1 5 6 2 5 का टोटल. So 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 6 12, 13 14 plus 5 19. So this is not divisible. 19 is not divisible by 3, but 5 से तो ये divisible है, but दोनों से होना चाहिए. So our answer will be no, because it is not divisible by 3. ठीक है. Now another question is 123015. Is 123015 divisible by 15? ये भी वही लॉजिक लगेगा. 123015 को हमें 15 से देखना है, तो 15 को हम स्प्लिट कर देंगे 3 into 5. Now as per this sum we know that 3 and 5 they are the co-prime numbers, so इनका product होता है 15. Now if this number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then it will be divisible by 15 also. Now divisibility test of 3 अगर हम लगाएंगे तो 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5. Sum of the digits क्या आएगा? 3 plus 2 5 6 7 and 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. This means that the number is divisible by 3. And the divisibility of test of 5 says that last digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5 also. So because it is divisible by both 3 and 5, so this number is divisible by 35. ठीक है. So this property number 3 जो हमने अभी डिस्कस करी थी, that if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then this number will also be divisible by the product of two co-prime numbers. This divisibility rule is applicable.
Now how to attempt this question in detail, that is how to write this question step by step. So let's take the first part, that is whether 15625 is divisible by 15. First we have to find this. Now 15625, whether it is divisible by 15 or not, we know that, so we can write here first step, we know that 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Now what are the factors of 3? 1 into 3. Factors of 5 are 1 into 5. Then you will write the common factor, or common factor of 3 and 5 is 1. So this implies, therefore, or you can write this implies that 3 and 5 are two co-primes, that is two co-prime numbers. Now we will first apply the divisibility test of 3. So here it is divisibility test of 3. The sum of digits, that is, यहाँ पे आप ब्रैकेट में लिख भी सकते हो 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 is 19, and 19 is not a multiple of 3. So this number 15625 is not divisible by 3. Then we will apply the divisibility test of 5. The digit at the ones place is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Therefore 15625 is divisible by 5 but not by 3. Hence 15625 is not divisible by 15. ठीक है, because to be divisible by 15 it should be divisible by both 3 and 5. So these are all the steps which you can cover so as to attempt the question. पहले हमने समझा था, and now this is the way you can write the solution of this question. Now let's talk about the next part, which is whether 123015 is divisible by 15 or not. Again here we will write that we know 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Now what are the factors of 3? Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So since their common factor is 1, so they are co-primes. Now the next step will be divisibility test of 3. The sum of digits of 123015 is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, so 123015 is divisible by 3. The next step will be divisibility test of 5. The digit at ones place is ONES. The digit at ones place is 5, so 123015 is divisible by 5. Since 123015 is divisible by both 3 and 5, देखो यहाँ 3 से भी divide हो सकता है, मतलब this number has passed the divisibility test of 3 and it has also passed the divisibility test of 5. So 123,015 is divisible by both 3 and 5. Therefore, it is divisible by 15 also. So this is a complete solution of this part.